With lamp-based projectors being phased out, what should you be looking for in a home cinema projector, especially if your budget's around that £5,000 mark? That shift means we're now firmly in laser territory, and while laser projectors do come with a premium price tag, there are now some very capable models at accessible price points. The Epson EH-QB1000 is a real standout. It delivers features you'd normally expect to see in projectors costing twice as much. So let's take a look at why we think this is one of the best projectors in its class. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors, there's no need for bulb replacements. The QB1000's laser light source gives you 20,000 hours of use, making it effectively maintenance-free. You also get quicker startup and shutdown times, and more stable brightness performance over the life of the projector. The QB1000 uses a laser light source with a rated brightness of 3,300 lumens, both for colour and white light. That gives you plenty of punch for a range of room types, including media rooms with some ambient light. But it really comes into its own in dedicated home cinema environments, where the laser engine ensures consistent brightness and long-term reliability. With some other brands, you'd be looking at models over the £25,000 price point to reach these levels of brightness. A real standout of the QB1000 is its high-end Japanese-made VRX cinema lens. Designed for zero light leakage, it features a proprietary 15-element precision glass structure that delivers exceptional image clarity and edge-to-edge focus uniformity. It has a flexible 1.6 times zoom with an unrivaled throw ratio of 1.35 to 2.84 to 1, offering excellent installation versatility. There's also an outstanding motorised lens shift range of 96.3% vertical and 47.1% horizontal, allowing for off-centre installations without image distortion or the need for digital keystone correction. Ideal for those retrofits or tricky mounting positions. This lens is fully motorised, featuring powered zoom, focus and lens shift, and it includes 10 lens memory presets, perfect for those using scope screens and wanting to switch between 16:9 and 2.35 to 1 content. As with all Epson home cinema projectors, the QB1000 uses 3LCD technology. That gives you vibrant, natural colours without rainbow effect that can be seen on single-chip DLP systems. 3LCD also helps with brightness efficiency. Colour brightness matches white brightness, giving a more balanced and accurate image across a range of content. At the heart of the QB1000 is Epson's most powerful 32-bit QZX Picture Processor. This is the same high-end chipset used in the more premium models. This processor brings several advanced features together to enhance image clarity, colour fidelity, motion handling and tone mapping. Gamers will also appreciate the 4K 120Hz input, auto low latency mode and HDMI 2.1 compatibility, all enabled by this processing platform. Whether you're watching Blu-ray, streaming or gaming, the QZX processor ensures crisp detailed imagery with low input lag and responsive performance. HDR support is another area where the QB1000 impresses. It handles HDR10, HLG and HDR10 Plus formats. In the UK, Epson includes a 5-year or 12,000 hour warranty on the EH-QB1000, covering both the projector and the laser light source. That's well above average for this price point and reflects Epson's confidence in the product's long-term reliability. It also gives installers and customers peace of mind knowing the projector is backed by a manufacturer with an excellent service track record. So with strong HDR performance, a laser light source, motorised lens control and premium processing, the Epson EH-QB1000 is a serious home cinema contender. It's easy to see why it's generating so much interest. For more information or to arrange a demo, contact AWE or visit awe-europe.com.